Hey, what's up family, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie, and I'm back at it with another mother loving video. So if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What you waiting on? Cause your girl got the tea over here. If you're returning, what's good, what's popping? Let's get right into the video. You'll be need some scissors, your templates if you have any. Y'all, I do have a template video up on how you can make templates using your own clothes. I will list it down below in the description box if y'all want to check it out. But I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna literally stick pin the boob part down to the shirt so I can make sure I get like a good cutout. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut it out. But y'all, I am a little sad because let me stop. But no, for real, y'all, some of my video did not convert over and I have no idea why. But 3 of my videos didn't convert over, so this video will not be as detailed as it should. And I'm finna show y'all in 1 second. So if y'all know why it wouldn't convert, can y'all please help me out? Comment down below. These 3 right here, the white ones, they didn't come over, so some of the video gone. But now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna trace with our chalk, y'all. I just want the bottom of this swimsuit. So I'm going a couple inches away because your girl got super thick and I need the coverage. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and trace that. And y'all, also everything that I am cutting out today is going to be doubled because this is going to be a swimsuit and I want it to be as thick as possible because of course I'm not using swimsuit material, so hopefully this works out. So clearly right here, this is where one of my videos went missing, so I can't show you everything that I had cut out. So right here what I'm doing is this is going to be the sides for my bottom part to connect literally on the sides. So I'm going to sew down the sides of each of these and then I'm going to turn it inside out. But I actually didn't use the pink ones. I changed the color at the end, but I am going to show y'all how I did it right here. So it was literally that simple. Turn it inside out. You're going to need 2 of these. So now we're going to jump into the next thing. So we're going to do the booby parts and we're going to turn the fabric to the inside out. And we're just going to literally sew down. But you're not going to sew all the way down because we're going to need that little space that's at the bottom so we can put our string through. So literally right here, this is where you want to stop it. Like I said, you want to leave like a small hole so we can pull our string through, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. I hope this video is not going too fast, but right here, this is the bottom part for the coverage of the butt. I'm so disappointed that I couldn't get all my videos to convert over, but I'm literally sewing. Remember I told y'all everything is double, so I'm literally sewing that together. Literally, that's it. and if you're still here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the fam, because if you're 5 minutes into the video, clearly you love it here. But no, the next thing we're gonna do is the body of the swimsuit, which is right here. This is literally the crouch part, and we coming up. I'm trying to explain it to y'all the best that I can, because like I said, some of the video is gone, so I'm literally just sewing this together as well. And the top part right here, as you notice, I didn't sew that across because it really don't matter, because we're gonna sew the boob part right there. But yeah, y'all comment down below how y'all day going. My day is going well. It's currently Sunday, chill day. Y'all, I'm getting ready for my road trip. But this is the bottom part right here to cover the butt. And then since we got the swimsuit part done, we're literally going to connect those two together at the crotch area. And then like one of the parts that's here, I have really big. Hold on. Once I lay it on the sewing machine, you'll see. So I tried to center it into that, and then I'm going to cut off the excess fabric. But of course that didn't get recorded neither. So we literally going to sew that down. Okay, y'all, so remember I told y'all I used another color, so this is the color. I did get another shirt from Walmart, and I literally just cut a straight line down, and right now I am sewing it together, and this is going to be for my strings. Y'all, this swimsuit was easier than I thought it would be, like literally. But right here I'm showing y'all, I just did a practice just to see how it'll look in there. It's not gonna be like that. So right now I am going to sew the boobs and the swimsuit together. And with this part, you want to make sure you be careful, because remember, you need that little hole at the bottom to put your string through. So make sure you sew literally at the edge, okay? Okay, so now that that's done, we're literally going to take our loop turner and stick it through both sides like so, and attach our string to it. So if you guys do projects like this, the loop turner definitely comes in handy, as you can see. And after that, we're just going to attach our strings to the top of the bikini. So y'all, now we are on our last step. Remember in the beginning when I was doing the two little pink things for the side, these are the green ones that I am putting on now, and I'm literally just going to sew each side. As you can see already, I got my stick pins in place, but this is the last step. Y'all ready for the final and finishing look? Y'all, I was so happy. Look at it, just look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Ooh, okay, come through. Oh, definitely understand the assignment, period. Y'all, I gotta show y'all the shorts that I was trying to match this with y'all could not find no swimsuit, so I had to make my own. But let me know what y'all think. I love it. I love it. Comment down below if you will wear this. Comment down a pink heart if you love this. But yes, thanks for watching. I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Mwah.